Scene script. Have you ever stopped to consider what makes someone wealthy? It's a query that often sparks visions of luxury cars, sprawling estates, and private jets. Yet the common assumptions about wealth in reality are far from this stereotypical imagery. Wealth, contrary to popular belief, isn't merely about accumulating a mountain of money. It's not about the number of zeros in your bank account or the brand of your timepiece. It isn't about making money for the sake of making money. At its core, wealth is about freedom, the freedom to live life on your terms. Think of wealth as a measure of time, not just money. Imagine if you stopped working today. How long could you sustain your current lifestyle with the resources you have? That, my friends, is your wealth measured in time. It's the ability to maintain your desired lifestyle without the constant worry of the next paycheck. It's about having the financial resilience to withstand life's inevitable surprises. Wealth isn't about flaunting designer clothes or driving flashy cars. It's not about living in a penthouse or vacationing on a private island. Instead, it's about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're secure, no matter what life throws at you. It's about having the resources to support the people you love, pursue your passions, and make a difference in the world. So let's shift our perspective. Let's redefine wealth. It's not about the money you make, but the freedom you gain. It's not about the possessions you accumulate, but the time you buy. It's time to challenge the status quo. It's time to debunk the misconceptions and understand the true essence of wealth. It's time to realize that wealth isn't a luxury for the few, but a possibility for the many. So the next question is, how does one go from counting coins to building wealth? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the untold truth about wealth. Before you can start building wealth, you need to understand the basics of managing your money. So, let's dive into it. Money management isn't just about making ends meet. It's about taking control of your financial future and setting yourself up for success. The first key to mastering money management is budgeting. It's about knowing where your money is going and making sure it's working for you. Picture your budget as your financial roadmap, guiding you towards your wealth-building goals. Next, we talk about saving, the cornerstone of wealth creation. It's not just about stashing away what's left after expenses. It's about paying yourself first. Make it a habit to set aside a portion of your income before you spend on anything else. This approach encourages living below your means and accelerates your journey towards financial freedom. But saving alone isn't enough. To truly grow your wealth, you need to make your money work for you. This is where investing comes into play. Investing is like planting a seed and nurturing it to grow into a fruitful tree. The magic ingredient here is compound interest, often referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process whereby your investments earn interest, and then that interest earns interest, creating a snowball effect that can significantly grow your wealth over time. Investing, though, isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy that requires patience, diligence, and a level-headed approach. Understanding the markets, diversifying your portfolio, and staying the course during market fluctuations are all essential aspects of successful investing. It's also important to remember that everyone's financial journey is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. So, take the time to understand your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon before diving into investing. Now that you have the basics down, it's time to take the next step. Your journey towards financial freedom and wealth creation starts with mastering these fundamentals of money management. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the power of investing in the next segment. When it comes to wealth creation, investing plays a significant role. It's akin to planting a seed and nurturing it over time, allowing it to grow into a fruitful tree. The world of investing is as diverse as a lush forest, teeming with different types of investments such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Picture this. Stocks are like the mighty oaks of the investing forest. They represent ownership in a company and carry the potential for high returns, but with a greater risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are the reliable maples, providing stable, albeit lower returns. They represent loans made to corporations or governments, offering a fixed return over a specified period. And then there are mutual funds, the versatile willows of the investment world. They pool money from multiple investors to create a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets, managed by professional fund managers. Mutual funds offer a great way to dip your toes into investing without needing extensive knowledge or a large amount of capital. Real estate, the sturdy pines of investing, involves purchasing property for rental income or capital appreciation. It's tangible, often appreciating in value over time, and can provide a steady income stream. Now let's talk about diversification, which is like having a variety of trees in your forest. By spreading investments across different asset types, you reduce the risk of any single investment negatively impacting your overall portfolio. It's akin to not putting all your eggs in one basket. But patience, my friends, is the sunshine that nurtures the growth of your investment forest. Investing is a long-term game where the power of compounding works its magic. As Albert Einstein once said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. But remember, investing is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's not about timing the market, but rather time in the market. It's not about making a quick buck, but about building lasting wealth. So let's embrace the power of investing and embark on our path to financial freedom. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a slow and steady journey to financial freedom. You have the knowledge, and now it's time to put it into action. The catalyst to your wealth-building journey is you. You have the power to transform your financial future starting today. It's about taking the first step, followed by the next, until you're on a path that leads you to financial freedom. First, let's talk about setting financial goals. These are the milestones on your journey to wealth. It could be as simple as saving for a new car, or as ambitious as amassing $1 million by the time you retire. The essence is to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. This vision will serve as your guiding light in the darkness of financial confusion. Next, you need a budget. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial destination. It's not about restricting your spending, but rather about making informed decisions. It's about understanding where your money is going and making sure it's working for you, not against you. Now let's talk about saving. It's the foundation of your wealth-building journey. Start small, save consistently, and before you know it, you'll have a nest egg that can weather financial storms or fund your dreams. Remember, a dollar saved today is a dollar earned tomorrow. Investing, on the other hand, is how you grow your wealth. It's about putting your money to work so it can earn even more money. Whether it's stocks, bonds, real estate, or a small business, the key is to start investing as soon as you can. Time is your ally in the world of investing. And finally, remember that wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, consistent steps towards your financial goals, not about getting rich overnight. Every little step counts. Every penny saved matters. It's the cumulative effect of these small actions that will lead you to wealth. Remember, the best time to start building wealth was yesterday. The next best time is now. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Your wealth-building journey starts today.